for the best male video goes to
Chris Brown, turn up the music.
First and foremost, I want to thank Team Breezy, Riveting Entertainment, because this is my first time actually being able to direct the video by myself. I thank everybody. I love y'all, my fans.
Shout out to Riveting Entertainment. You guys are awesome. I love working with you guys always.
Riveting, this is bigger than ever.
And I just thank you so much for making me look beautiful, making me feel confident. Riveting Entertainment for just being so spot on.
Riveting Entertainment, keep doing what you do, 2012 and beyond, big things.
Shout out to Riveting Entertainment.
Yo, this is Big Snoop. Shout out to Riveting Entertainment.
Riveting Entertainment.
Riveting Entertainment.
Shout out to Riveting Entertainment.
Shout out to Riveting Entertainment.
That worked all goddamn night. I fucking love y'all. Thank you.